Just Buggin'. Hey guys, this is G-Man with Just Buggin'. We got another motor in here for a possible refresh if it passes the compression test. They came in motor only. It's the out of a 1970 Beetle they just recently purchased. So I'm gonna eventually do a compression test on it. I just wanted to crank it up and see how it sounds. I wonder what the hell that sound was. All right, well, I'm gonna let it cool down and then I'll start a compression test on it. Don't sound too bad. Let me check the in play. I put a dial indicator on it. It doesn't, I felt worse. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of play in it, but we'll see. All right, let it cool down and I'll get back a compression test when it's cooler.
It's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
All right guys, I'm back on the 70 Beetle. Gonna try out a compression test. I disconnect the coil. Oh, actually, I just disconnect the power to it. Right there. Let's see what we got on number one. We got 140. Not bad, we're starting out pretty good here. Number one, 140. We're on number two. 140. We got bush. We got bush.
We've got bush.
Oh, hello, pie.
Scratch, screw. All right, guys, we're on number three now. And we've got 130. Are we off to the races? That is the question.
Whoa, get where I'm coming from? That was pretty good. Let me hear your yee.
Stay tuned for number four.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. We're going to take a moment for one of our sponsors, the VDUB Factory. The VDUB Factory is a family-oriented shop that offers VW parts for a more affordable price with excellent customer service. Come down to the VDUB Factory in Ocala, Florida.
All right, we're on number four. Is it a refresh or a rebuild? Hopefully it's a refresh. What are we gonna get? 150. It qualifies for a refresh, and we'll confirm what the in play is, but by my hands it feels pretty tight. And of course I always break one wire. Well, looks like we're gonna have a refresh here. We have enough in rebuild, but I was looking forward to another refresh. All right, well, that's it for the 1970 Beetle 1600cc dual port motor. Stay tuned for the refresh. This one will be painted a metallic light blue, kind of a silverish blue. Apparently the car's two-tone. It's a baby blue metallic with white on the doors, you know, underneath the trim. So just keep your eyes open for a video on the motor disassembly and reassembly with the painted tins and all detailed out. This is G-Man, Just Buggin', out.
Hey guys, it's Dalton. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have a Just Buggin' of a day.